Sairam, dear children of class 5. I hope you are all fit and fine and staying healthy at home. Okay, and we are going to start today's maths class. So we will begin by chanting Omkar 3 times. Let us join our hands. Om. Yes, children. We are discussing the chapter about patterns. Okay, so let us see some patterns from Tata Class Edge first. So we are going to Tata Class Edge. I'm typing the school's name, then username, and then password. Let me sign in. We'll be reaching class 5. I hope so. Okay, yes, soon we reached. Okay, let us see patterns everywhere. This is a video. You can see patterns in so many different places. Okay, children, I'm going to play it, enjoy it, at the same time learn something from it.
Look at these beautiful Rangoli patterns. What do you notice about how they are formed? Why are they called patterns? A pattern is a series of shapes. Letters. Musical notes. Or numbers that is repeated again and again in a predictable way. This pattern has a red star followed by a blue star. Again, we have a red star followed by a blue star, and so on. These shapes are repeated in an order that is predictable. This is how the pattern is formed. These shapes don't form a pattern, and nor do these numbers. They do not appear in any particular order, and we cannot predict how the shapes or numbers will be repeated. You will find many beautiful patterns in nature. Have a look. Now that you know what patterns are, try to spot some patterns in the world around you.
Okay, children, did you enjoy the video? From this, yes? Yes, from this video we understood that there are patterns everywhere in the universe, starting from a ladybug to a zebra and to each and every big and small animals, and everywhere in the nature we can see patterns. Okay, let me log out from here. Okay, now yes. Now we will take a worksheet. Okay, is this worksheet visible to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Children, in the video, we have seen that there are patterns in shapes also, patterns in numbers also, patterns in animals also. There are different types of patterns. But here today, we are discussing about number patterns. Okay. Question 1. 2, 6, 10, 14. And what is the next number? So how we have to think how this 2, after 2, how this 4 came. What is the relationship between 2 and 6? We know 2 plus 4 is 6. Then we have to think whether this rule is following here or not. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Now you understood the rule of the pattern. It is 4 added everywhere. Okay. So from to the previous number, 4 is added, we get the next number. So 14 plus 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Then 14 plus 4 should be, what should be the answer? 14 plus 4 should be 80. It should be 80. Okay, got it? So from this given numbers, we have to figure out a rule and then apply it to get the answer. Okay. Then question 2, 9, 18, 27, 36. Are you familiar with this number series? 9 1 is 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. Then what is next one? 9 5s are 45. Okay, children? Yes. Some of you may think in a different way. You may think like that 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 9 is 27, 27 plus 9 is 36. That is nothing but 9's table. But when you are very familiar with 9's table, you will clearly understand that this is 9's table. Then you will not go for addition. Okay. Now coming to the next. This is a very interesting and easy pattern. 2, how many times? 1 time. Here, 2 times. Here, 2, 2, 2, 3 times. Here, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4 times. Then what will be the next? 5 times 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Is it interesting as well as easy? Everyone can do it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we are coming to the fourth. 120. Then 100. Okay, is it a decreasing pattern or an increasing pattern? It's a decreasing pattern. Till now here 1 2 3 we did increasing pattern, but here you can see that it's a decreasing pattern. 120, then 100, again decreasing to 80, again decreasing to 60. That means what is the relationship? How is it decreasing? 120 minus 20 is 100. 100 minus 20 is 80. 80 minus 20 is 60. That what should be the next? Next will be 60 minus 20. What is 60 minus 20? It is number 40. Okay, 40. Got it? This way you have to identify the rule and then you have to use it. The next one. This is little bit different. 1. Then next is 4, 9, 16, 25. Okay, children? Okay. Then how do you get it? Okay. This is 1 multiplied by the same number. Okay, 1. 1 ones are 1. That is the next number. Number 1. Next to 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. After 2, 3 is coming. 3 3s are 9. After 3, 4 is coming. 4 4s are 16. After 4, 5 is coming. 5 5s are 25. So after 5, which number is coming? 6. Multiply by itself. 6 6 are, what is the next number? 36. Children, can you extend this pattern? Can you say what is the next number after 36? 7 7s are 49. Next is
7,
very good. Next one is
84.
8 are 64. Next is 9 9s are 81. The next is 10 10s are 100. Like that. Okay. These are all called square numbers. You will learn it later. Okay. Then coming to the sixth question. 13, 26, 39, 52. Which table it is? It is 13's table. 13 ones are, 2's are, 3's are, 4's are. But then here it will come 13 5's are. What is 13 5's are? 65. Then next is again.
65.
Again. Here 1. No 0 is there. Now 1 0 is added. Now 2 zeros are added. Next 3 zeros are added. What will be the next? Along with 1, 4 zeros will be added. Then what will be the next number, last number? 10,000. Okay, this is also
10,000.
interesting and easy, is it not? Then next is 208, 218, 228, 238. What will be the next? There is a rhythm. If you read it louder, you will get
248.
208, 218, 228, 238. You are correct. 248. Okay, if you read that middle number, you can see 0. These are remaining same. 2 and 8 are always same. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, children. Now, question number 9. 1500, 1250, 1000, 750. Is it an increasing pattern or decreasing pattern? It's a decreasing pattern. Decreasing. How much it is decreasing? 250 is decreasing. Okay, 250 is decreasing. 1500 minus 250, 1250. Then minus 250, 1000. Then minus 250, 750. Then minus 250 will be 500. Okay. Yes, these are all familiar numbers to you. When you learn liter, milliliter, kilometer, meter, all these numbers are very familiar to you. Okay. Then next is question number 10. Okay. 134, 134. If you read like that, you will get it. 134, 1334, 1334, 13334. See how many 1 3 is there? 1 4 is same. Here 1 3, 2 3s, 3 3s. The next one between 1 and 4, how many 3? Between 1 and 4, how many 3s will be there? 4 3s will be there. So what will be the answer? This one. 1 3 3 3 3 4. Okay. Understood the number patterns? There can be similar, so many number patterns. Okay. So I just sorted out 10 questions, but there can be so many. But what you have to do is you have to find the rule from the given numbers and apply it to get the remaining. Okay. Yes, children. Okay. Is it very clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now let me go from here and I shall take the book. Okay. Yes. Book page is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, here. Yes. Third question. The previous page we have discussed last day, Saturday. Then some patterns are given below on the left side of the red line. For each pattern, write the rule. Then choose what comes next from the right side of the line. Here the options are given. From this, you have to choose what will come after this third shape. Okay. Then, yes. And now you see this shape. You can see in the left there is green. Here it is yellow. And this is taking a rotation. Turn. It is taking turn. You can see that this purple part has gone to this side. This one. Okay. So this corner. Every time you have to think that this is inside a square. Okay. And this purple is here at the center. From the center it has gone to the corner. From the corner it has gone to the next side center, like that. So in such cases, 8 turns will complete a one rotation in 8 turns. That means this is a 1/8 turn. Okay, here 1/8 turns are taking. Okay, so and turn is towards the right in the clockwise direction. So when you write the rule, what will you write? 1/8 turn. 1/8 turn is same as 45-degree turn also. Okay, and which direction? Clockwise direction. Clockwise direction has another name also, right turn. Okay, you can write it as 1/8 bracket 45-degree turn, clockwise or right turn. Okay, and yes, here you can see this purple part here, center of the square. So here the purple part will be, then will it go back? See, these two are the same. So will it go back anti-clockwise? No, it will go to in clockwise direction only. So what will be the next shape? The second one. Here you have to put tick. Okay, children, got it? Then similarly B. Yes, similarly B. B is, you can see 4 different colors. Okay, and this blue color. Concentrate on one color and see what is happening. Okay, let us concentrate on this blue color. Here blue color is here. Then what happened to this blue color? Blue color has gone to this corner. From one corner, blue has gone to the other corner. Then blue has gone to the next corner. Then this blue will go to this place. So first one or second one? Second one. Okay, see this blue is here, then blue is here, then blue is here, then in the fourth one blue will be here. So in which one blue is in the left top? This one. So answer will be this. This will be the next. So how many turns it takes to reach back? 4 turns. So it is 1/4 turn. 1/4 turn. 1/4 turn is 90-degree turn. And it goes right or left? Right. Right means clockwise. So what is the answer? 1/4 turn clockwise. Okay, children. Now you try this one yourself, but be very careful. In this shape, this side, this end is open, but here the end is closed. Now you can see this open end. What happens to the open end? You see that. So is it going for the next one? You see, is it going to the left or is it going to the right? See, here the opening is here. Left means very good. It is going left. Okay? So you can select the answer yourself. Okay. Now see question D. You can see a very beautiful pattern. Yes. Here the pattern is like this. Okay. And suppose this is the head of the pattern. Then you see what happened to the head. This head has turned like this and it is like this. So which turn it is? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Anti-clockwise. Then what happened to this head? It turned like this and came here. Okay. Then what happened to the head? It turned like this towards the left and came to the left side. Okay. That means it is taking anti-clockwise turn. Okay. So what will happen to this head now? It will come down. So in which shape it is down? This one. So this will be the answer. Okay. Okay. So what is the rule? In how many turns it came back to its original position? 4 turns. So it is 1/4 turn. But clockwise or anti-clockwise? Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Okay. Got it? Okay. Here there are 4 interesting questions for it. You can find out which picture is breaking the rule. 2 questions I will do and 2 I will leave for you. Mark that picture which is breaking the rule. You have to encircle that picture which breaking the rule according to you. Okay. So let me take the last one. See, the last picture you just observe very closely. Here, a blue background. Inside there is a circle, and inside the circle, it, there is a triangle yellow in color. Here, triangle, inside the triangle there is a circle. See, this and the same is repeating here, but here the background and triangle is yellow. But what happened to the inside part? Is there anything wrong? Do you find anything wrong? Yes, the inner design is different. So who again you see this is same to this. This is same. So who is breaking rule here? This one is breaking rule. So you have to encircle this. Got it, children? Now I will do C also for you. You can see the picture of birds. Okay, 3 birds flying upwards. Then one bird flying down, one flying up, one flying down. Okay, so what do you think? There are two chances. You can circle this one and make it fly down. Okay, then also it is correct. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Rule is correct. One more chance is there. Okay, you can make circle here, and let this bird also fly down. Then what will come? 3 birds flying up, 3 birds flying down. Then also there is a pattern. It is up to you what you have to. It is up to you what you have to do. Okay, is it clear? Now this one, these two, you can observe very carefully and get your answer. Okay, children? Yes. Now coming to a magic square. I will explain this also, and after that I will stop. Okay. Then, do you remember magic triangles? That means in class 3 you might have learned magic triangles. Come, now let us make some magic squares. Okay, children? Here is the rule. Fill this square using all the numbers from 46 to 54. The rule is the total of each line is 150. So which numbers you will use? You can use 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52 and 53, 54 is the last. Okay, 9 numbers. Then total, if you total it from this way, this way, this way, or horizontally or vertically in any column or row, the sum should be 150. Okay, so this takes a little bit time for you. Okay, so I shall tell you the first one. Suppose if you have a pencil, you can write also. If your book is open, you can write there. Suppose this is 53. This is 48. I will tell you one row each, 53 and 48. So you add 53, 48 and 49. What will you get? 53 plus 48 plus 49 is 150. Okay. Then let us come to column wise. So this is already 53. Okay. You can write if you have a book. Otherwise you can make a box and write down in rough. This is 53. This is 46 given. Here it is 51. So when you add 53, 46 and 51 also, you will get, what will you get? You will get 150. Okay. So we have already discussed here. Yes, it is 48 here. So do one thing, 48 plus 52 is given. 48 plus 52, you add it and then subtract it from 150. Then you will get the number here automatically. That number is 50. Okay. Then 49 and 47 are already given. So add 49 and 47. Then subtract it from 150. You will get the number here. Okay. So you got all the numbers. I shall repeat it again. This is 53. This is 48. The center one is 50. Then towards the right of it, 54. And here in this corner, it is 51. Okay, children, it takes a little bit time for you to find out, but there is a challenging question for you. Fill this square, this one, using all the numbers from 21 to 29, 9 numbers. Rule is the total of each side is 75. Here we got 150. Similarly, here you will get the sum as 75. Children, you can try this. Okay, definitely if you try, you will get answer also. Everywhere you have to get 75 as the sum. Don't use any number other than this. So you be in this limit 21 to 29 only. Okay, here you have freedom also because no number is given, but in this some numbers were given. Here you have the freedom, you can keep any number anywhere and try. Will you try, children? Yes, I hope you will try.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good, very
Yes,
good,
ma'am.
very good. Okay. Yes. By this, we are ending today's class. So let us join our hands and do Shanti Path. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Okay, children, take care. We'll meet in the next class.